Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Texas Roadhouse Cajun Horseradish dip. Cue the music. Alright, let's check out what our ingredients are for this dip. We have got a half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream, 1/8 of a cup of ketchup, and we got 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of prepared horseradish. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, first thing you want to do, get a bowl big enough for everything. This is going to make a little more than a cup here, so get a bowl big enough to mix up a cup without spilling it all over the edges. Add our sour cream, got our mayonnaise, got our ketchup, our horseradish, and our cayenne pepper. Mix those all up. There we go. We got some French fries in the oven. We're going to try these out after we do our photo shoot, and we're going to add music to that. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. We're going to come back and taste this. Just holds right onto that French fry there. Now we're going to go in for the bite. Nice. Creaminess of the mayonnaise, that acidity coming from that sour cream, and a little bit of that cayenne. But that horseradish stands out without just knocking you on your butt. It doesn't make your nose run and everything else. I would expect it a little bit more heat. This is called a Cajun sauce. I would expect a little bit more heat from it, but it's fine. It is a copycat recipe. It's not actually Texas Roadhouse, but it's the copycat version of it that I found online. But this is a very, very good sauce for French fries and onion rings. Probably some chicken strips in there too. So take care of yourself. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video with everybody. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.